Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, just like your initial investment. At first it might seem insignificant, just a tiny ball of snow. But as it begins its journey down the hill, something magical starts to happen. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger with every turn. This is similar to how compound interest works. When you invest money, it starts to earn interest, and then, that interest starts to earn interest too. The snowball gets bigger and bigger, just like your investment. Over time, the growth becomes more noticeable. What started as a small amount begins to expand exponentially. This is the power of compounding. That's how compound interest works. It's a process where the interest you earn also earns interest, creating a snowball effect. The longer you let it roll, the larger it becomes. Compound interest is like magic for your money. It transforms your savings into a growing snowball of wealth. The key is to start early and let time work its magic. It helps your money grow faster over time. The more time you give it, the more powerful the effect. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly if left to compound over many years. It's the key to building wealth. By understanding and harnessing the power of compound interest, you can set yourself on a path to financial success. It's not about making huge investments. It's about consistency and patience. Let's learn how it works. When you invest money, you earn interest on your initial investment. This is called the principal. Over time, the interest you earn is added to the principal, and you start earning interest on the new, larger amount. It's all about earning interest on your interest. This is what makes compound interest so powerful. Each time interest is added, the amount of money earning interest grows, leading to even more interest earned in the future. You make money on your original investment, and then that money starts to make money too. It's a continuous cycle of growth. The more you invest and the longer you leave it, the more substantial the growth. Then, you make money on the interest you've already earned. This is the essence of compounding. It's a powerful tool that can turn small, regular investments into a significant sum over time. This cycle repeats, and your money grows faster and faster. The longer you let it compound, the more dramatic the growth. It's like watching a snowball turn into an avalanche of wealth. So, start early, invest regularly, and let the magic of compound interest work for you. Let's say you invest $1,000 in a savings account. This is a common way to start saving and growing your money. Many people choose savings accounts because they are safe and offer a guaranteed return. But how exactly does your money grow in such an account? Let's break it down step by step. The account earns 5% interest per year. This interest rate is the percentage of your initial investment that the bank pays you for keeping your money with them. It's like a reward for trusting the bank with your funds. The interest rate can vary depending on the bank and the type of account, but for this example, we'll stick with 5%. In the first year, you earn $50 in interest. This is calculated by taking 5% of your initial $1,000. So at the end of the year, your account balance is no longer just $1,000. It's now $1,050. This might not seem like a huge increase, but it's the beginning of something powerful. Now you have $1,050. This is your new principal amount. The principal is the original sum of money you invested, plus any interest earned. As your principal grows, so does the amount of interest you earn. This is where the magic of compounding starts to take effect. In the second year, you earn 5% interest on $1,050. This means your interest is now calculated on a larger amount. Instead of earning interest on just $1,000, you're earning it on $1,050. This results in $52.50 in interest for the second year. That's $52.50 in interest. See how it's growing? Each year, the amount of interest you earn increases because you're earning interest on a larger and larger principal. This is the essence of compound interest, where your interest earns interest. Each year, your money grows more than the year before. This exponential growth can have a significant impact over time. The longer you leave your money in the account, the more it will grow. This is why starting to save and invest early can be so beneficial. Even small amounts can grow into substantial sums given enough time. This is the power of compounding. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to grow your wealth. By reinvesting your interest, you allow your money to work for you, generating more and more income over time. This principle can be applied to various types of investments, not just savings accounts. Over time, even small amounts can grow significantly. Imagine if you continued to add to your savings each year. The growth would be even more pronounced. This is why financial advisors often recommend regular contributions to your savings or investment accounts. The combination of regular contributions and compound interest can lead to substantial financial growth, helping you achieve your long-term financial goals. Let's compare compound interest with simple interest. Simple interest only earns interest on your original investment. Imagine you invest $1,000 at 5% simple interest. You'll earn $50 each year, no matter what. With compound interest, your earnings grow each year. This is because you earn interest on your interest. Compound interest is the clear winner for long-term growth. Section 4. The Rule of 72, your doubling time shortcut. Want to know how long it takes to double your money? There's a handy trick called the Rule of 72. Divide 72 by the interest rate. The answer is the approximate number of years it takes for your money to double. For example, let's say you invest at 6% interest. Divide 72 by 6. The answer is 12. It will take about 12 years for your money to double. Section 5. Putting the Rule of 72 into action. Let's look at some examples of the Rule of 72 in action. This rule is a simple way to estimate how long an investment will take to double, given a fixed annual rate of interest. It's a handy tool for anyone looking to understand the power of compound interest and make informed financial decisions. For instance, if you invest at an 8% interest rate, it takes about 9 years to double your money. This is because 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Imagine you invested $1,000 at this rate. In 9 years, you would have $2,000. This simple calculation can help you plan your investments more effectively. Now let's consider a 10% interest rate. At this rate, it only takes about 7 years to double your money. 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2, so in just over 7 years your $1,000 investment would grow to $2,000. The higher the interest rate, the faster your money grows. See how powerful higher interest rates can be? Even a small increase in the interest rate can significantly reduce the time it takes for your investment to double. This is why it's important to seek out the best possible interest rates for your investments. But the Rule of 72 isn't just for investments. You can also use it to understand inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding purchasing power. For example, if the inflation rate is 3%, you can use the Rule of 72 to estimate how long it will take for prices to double. 72 divided by 3 equals 24, so in about 24 years, prices will be twice as high as they are today. This means that the same amount of money will buy you less in the future. Inflation reduces the value of your money over time. This is why it's crucial to invest wisely and seek returns that outpace inflation. By understanding and applying the Rule of 72, you can make more informed decisions about saving, investing, and protecting your financial future. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a child's education, or simply trying to grow your wealth, the Rule of 72 is a valuable tool. It helps you visualize the impact of different interest rates and inflation on your money, empowering you to make smarter financial choices. So, next time you're considering an investment or thinking about the effects of inflation, remember the Rule of 72. It's a simple yet powerful way to understand the time value of money and make decisions that will help you achieve your financial goals. And that concludes our section on putting the Rule of 72 into action. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to take control of your financial future. Happy investing. Section 6. The power of starting early. The sooner you start investing, the better. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to compound interest. Even small amounts invested early can grow significantly over time. Don't wait to start building your financial future. The magic of compound interest works best over long periods. The longer your money compounds, the more it grows. Start investing now, no matter how small the amount. Section 7. Take control of your financial future. Understanding compound interest and the Rule of 72 empowers you. You can make informed decisions about your money. You can reach your financial goals. Take control of your financial future today.